Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm sharing this Have a Holly Jolly Christmas card, which is perfect because if you're watching this on the day it's posted, then today is Christmas Eve. I hope you have a beautiful Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't get to talk to you before then. To start off my card, I have my Gingham background stamp mounted inside my Misty, and here I just have a panel of white cardstock that's A2 size. I placed that down inside my Misty platform. I'm inking up my background stamp in a green ink, and then I'm just stamping that down over top. To make this more into a plaid background, I'm going to use a stripe stamp that I found in my stash and ink that up in red ink. I'll stamp that down going both vertically and horizontally across my panel, and I'm stamping that in between all of the little squares that the gingham background makes. Just a quick note, I do want to say that I am a little bit sick at the moment, which is why my voice sounds the way it does, so hopefully by the next time I film a voiceover, I will be better. And this is what the background looks like now that it's all stamped. Here I have another piece of white cardstock that I'm going to ink up using the Forest Moss Distress Oxide ink. I'm going to ink up enough of the panel so that I can cut out a wreath using my seasonal wreath die set. Once I have that inked up, I will die cut it from the panel, and then I will also die cut 2 additional wreaths from some white cardstock, and I will layer those underneath the green one so that it has some dimension. I wanted to have a few elements that I could stamp out to add some color to the wreath, so here I have 2 leaves and 2 flowers, which are from my freshly picked stamp set, and I'm going to stamp those out using the different layers. I will list all of the ink colors that I'm using in the description box down below. Now that those are all stamped out, I can move on to making a bow, which is a die that is also included in the seasonal wreath die set. I die cut that twice out of some craft cardstock, and I'm going to adhere that together using some liquid glue. Then the little center of the bow, I used a little dimensional adhesive to pop that up. Here I have a stitched white rectangle panel lined up inside my Misty. I'm lining up my wreath and all of my flower images so that I am sure I have enough room for my sentiment. My sentiment is from Fa La La, and I'm stamping that down using a crisp black ink. I can pop that panel up onto my plaid background using some foam tape. I can adhere the wreath down using some liquid glue, and then I'm going to use both liquid adhesive and foam tape for the bow and the flowers. And once my arrangement is perfect, I can adhere that down onto a white A2 sized card base. And that finishes today's card. I hope you enjoyed this Have a Holly Jolly Christmas card with lots of stamping. Again, I hope you have a warm and safe Christmas Eve tonight and Christmas Day tomorrow. Thank you so much for all of your support of Right at Home and this channel this past year. I look forward to posting more crafty videos in 2019, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before you leave today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!